Have you ever experienced this moment? Someone breaks a basic public rule. They cut the line, they throw garbage, they drive on the wrong side. You notice it. You feel it is wrong. But nothing comes out of your mouth. And later, when you are alone, your mind suddenly becomes very active. I should have said something. I should have handled that better. I stayed quiet again. This silence hurts more than the situation itself. This video is not about blaming India. This video is about understanding why civic sense is missing and why good people freeze in public situations. Because once you understand the real reason, you stop feeling weak and you start acting clear. Let's begin with the truth no one talks about. Civic sense is not about rules, it is about mindset. Rules exist everywhere, but mindset decides whether rules are followed or ignored. Most people think civic sense means not spitting, not littering, not breaking traffic rules. That is only surface behavior. Real civic sense means doing the right thing, even when it is uncomfortable, even when no one is watching, even when it slows you down. That requires internal discipline. And this is where the problem starts. From childhood, most of us are taught one thing: adjust, don't get involved, mind your own business. Slowly, your brain learns a dangerous lesson. Silence equals safety. So when something wrong happens in public, your brain doesn't think about right or wrong. It thinks about risk. What if this becomes a fight? What if people stare? What if it gets ugly? This is not cowardice. This is conditioning. You were trained to survive socially, not to protect standards. Over time, bad behavior becomes common. Good behavior becomes rare. And speaking up feels strange. This is how civic sense disappears without anyone noticing. Now listen carefully. Rules fail in India not because people don't understand them. Rules fail because consequences are uncertain. When the brain sees that nothing happens after breaking rules, it learns something simple. Rules are optional. Once rules feel optional, civic sense collapses. Signs stop working. Fines stop scaring people. Arguments stop helping. Because behavior is not emotional. Behavior is habitual. Now let's talk about you. Why do you freeze even when you know you are right? Because in that moment, your brain is overloaded. It is processing social pressure, fear of conflict, fear of embarrassment, fear of escalation. So it chooses the safest response: silence. Later, when the danger is gone, confidence comes back. Too late. Here is the most important mental shift. You are not correcting a person. You are protecting a standard. When you see someone break a rule and you speak calmly, you are not attacking them. You are defending order. This shift removes guilt. This shift removes hesitation. Because now your intention is clean. Now let me give you practical tools, not theory, real tools. First tool: never argue emotionally. Emotion invites resistance. Use neutral sentences. Short, clear, calm. This is not allowed here. There is a rule for this. Please follow the system. No explanation, no justification, no anger. Neutral tone shuts down drama. Second tool: lower your voice, always. A loud voice creates chaos. A calm voice creates authority. People expect aggression. Calmness confuses them. That confusion gives you control. Third tool: say your line and walk away. Do not wait for validation. Do not wait for agreement. Confidence is shown by non-attachment. Now understand this clearly. Civic courage is not taught in schools. It is not taught at home. It is developed through repetition. Every time you stay silent, your brain reinforces silence. Every time you speak calmly, your brain builds courage. Change never starts with crowds. It starts with individuals who stop normalizing nonsense. You don't need to fight everyone. You just need to stop adjusting silently. Civic sense will not improve when people become louder. It will improve when people become clearer. Clear in standards, clear in boundaries, clear in behavior. Most people will watch this video, agree silently, and do nothing. They will scroll. They will forget. But if you want confidence in real moments, not imaginary arguments in your head, then subscribe to AI Self-Craft. This channel is not for comfort. It is for people who want clarity, control, and real-world strength. Most won't act, but you might.